I want to show you how you can build your own affiliate website like this in the fastest and most easiest way as possible without any experience and for only $10 a month. That's it. You really don't need any expensive tools or software to set up a similar, modern and fully responsive website like this or any other website you want to. You can set up everything completely from scratch in just a few hours in total, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Now, as you may know already, there are several ways to earn money with your own website, and affiliate marketing is one of them. I have created a course for beginners on how to build a professional website and earn money with affiliate marketing, and you can check it out now on YouTube for free so you can get started right away. In this course, I will show you an example of a very basic website that earns a lot of money with affiliate marketing and also revenue from Google AdSense. In this course, I will show you exactly how to create this website, and with the tool I use, anybody could be able to do this. And to make it even easier for you, I have also made a manual in text on websitelearninglab.com for every single video in this course. So if you want to follow the steps, this will make things a lot easier. You can select the tutorial and use the table of contents to easily navigate to the info that you're looking for. As you can see, I have also made screenshots in which I point out every single click that is needed to set everything up. So when I say this course is detailed, I really mean it's detailed. As you can see, for this example, I have created an affiliate blog website about luxury watches, but you can build any website you want to. The only thing you need is a domain name, web hosting, and one premium page builder plugin, which you can use to build any website you want to, from a basic website to a blog or even your own web store, in the fastest and most easiest way as possible. And as I mentioned, the cost in total for everything you will need are only $10 a month. So even if you don't know anything about web design, you can follow the steps and you will have your own professional looking website set up today. The course is chopped up into short lessons so everything is easy to digest, and I will walk you through every single click from A to Z. So here's a quick overview of the tutorials in this course. First, I start off with a real example of a very basic affiliate website that's very successful and earns a lot of money. In this tutorial, I will also explain the basics on affiliate marketing and generating revenue from displaying ads on your website. In the second tutorial, I will show you how to set up WordPress hosting and a domain name for your website with one of the best hosting companies in the world. I will also show you how to install a free SSL certificate on your website to make sure it has a secure connection, and this won't cost you a penny. After that, I will walk you through a few general WordPress settings, and then I will show you the settings for the pages and the posts for your website, and I will also explain what the difference is between them. In the next tutorial, I will show you 2 themes that you need to install, and these are also available for free. I will also explain why it's recommended to always have a backup theme available. After that, I will explain which free plugins you need to download and install. Then I will teach you how you can create a logo very easily in a couple of minutes and how you can find high quality stock images for your website. In the next tutorial, I'm going to set up the header and the footer of the website for the backup theme, which in this case is the Astra theme. Then I'll explain the basics about the Elementor page builder plugin, which is basically the holy grail to designing websites in the most easiest way as possible. After that, it's time to design the header and the footer for the website with the free Hello theme, which in this case will also be the active theme. In the next tutorial, I will explain step by step how to design all the pages for your website. After that, it's time to design the post for the website, and then I will also show you how to design the archive pages and the search result pages. Then I will create an overview of all the blog posts organized by category on one page. You can also add cool motion effects in just a few clicks, and I will show you exactly how to do this in this tutorial. I will also show you how to create an email account for your website in just 1 minute. And I will also show you how to import and export templates to your website. Also stay tuned for new tutorials to be added regularly, in which I will share all my knowledge on web design, search engine optimization, affiliate marketing, online advertising with Google and Facebook, and how to track your ad campaigns for affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in those topics, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also check out the website over at websitelearninglab.com. So the full course is available for free, and the only thing I ask for is for you to check out this course, and if you liked it and it helped you out, I would appreciate it if you would give the videos a thumbs up and you would subscribe to this brand new channel to help it grow, and that's it. The reason I want to teach others how to do this is because the skill of web design can really change your life. I managed to quit my 9-to-5 job, and if you're looking for a way out or a way to earn an extra income for yourself, you should really check this out. For example, you can make money by designing websites for other people or companies. You can create an affiliate website and promote products or services in return for commissions. or you can display ads from Google AdSense, for example, on your website. So there are different ways to make money online if you know how to build a website, and that's exactly what you will learn in this course. I hope you enjoy it, and you can start now by clicking on the link, and I hope to see you over there.